Hi and welcome. My name is Susan Armitage. I'm a registered marriage and family therapist and the author of Over the Walls of Anger, Into Each Other's Arms. This book and program helps couples build healthy relationships. I'm also passionate about helping people work through restoring peace after suffering trauma. We look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, I'm Julie, and I'm a qualifying registered psychotherapist. I have 10 years of experience in pastoral counseling, working with youth and families. I enjoy working with couples and individuals and families. I'm passionate about equipping people with tools and skills to help them overcome their personal challenges and find balance in their lives.
Hi, my name is Sam Allison, and I'm an intern at Rock of Peace. I have several years of experience working with university students, young adults, teens, and families. I can be part of your support system as you navigate life, particularly as you learn to manage anger and/or anxiety or depression. I am passionate about making counseling a safe and encouraging experience for you and helping you find your unique strengths.
Hi, my name's Christine, and I'm currently an intern here at Rock of Peace Counselling. I really enjoy walking with others on their journey as they face various life or mental health challenges. And while our past may have influenced our present, it doesn't mean it has to dictate our future. And so I want to be able to help youth and young adults to live a fuller life by using their experiences today, whether positive or negative, as effective tools in creating who they aspire to be tomorrow.